Let's drink coconut water and meat. Wow, so good. So you can eat meat, some in here, and water, coconut. Yummy. Yummy. Try it. Hi friends, this is Natalie. Today I'm here at the market, Vietnamese market. I'm going to buy Thai coconut, or they call young Thai coconut at the Vietnam market, because I'm gonna show you how to cut young coconut and how to make coconut juice. Okay, let's do it. Let's go inside the market, Vietnamese market here. Okay. Okay, when you buy a Thai young coconut, the brand I really like to buy and I really like to drink this juice, they call black coconut. They call young coconut. So when you go buy in the market, just pick the one fresh one, see, nice and clean, and don't have anything kind of like a hole in the bottom, okay, or whole skin, or getting yellow and getting brown. That's we don't want. We want a fresh one, white, nice and clean, fresh one. This is how you can pick a coconut better. See, like this one is not good. Don't buy this, okay? This is not good. Okay, start getting brown and old coconut. So we're gonna buy like a fresh like this one. Fresh like this. This one. That's better. See, okay. Okay, hi friends. I'm gonna make a coconut juice, but before we make a coconut juice we need to washing it first, and then we're gonna cut and open, okay, because on the skin has a plastic wrap. This I only take the plastic wrap off, and now we're gonna wash. Okay, make sure the coconut clean before we cut them. Nice and clean. Like this, nice and clean. Okay. Hey friends, I'm gonna chop the coconut. I open the young coconut, Thai coconut, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to, okay, alright. Be careful the knife, okay? But have to be heavy knife and sharp knife. Be careful your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. We take off the meat, the young coconut. Like this. Wow, this is good young coconut. Meat is really soft, smoothie, yummy. Okay, now we got the water and young coconut in here. See, it does look good. So I cut some meat, some young coconut, and put in coconut water here. So you can see this a little bit old. The meat is get really tough, but you can eat. You know what you can do? You can make a smoothie. Put in a smoothie, drain it, and drink every morning. So we're gonna drink this, so I'm gonna show you. So you take like this. I'm gonna take the whole pot this to my friend party today. So you got some water, coconut water, some meat. Oh my god, so good, healthy. This is the best young coconut, and easy to eat, easy to drink. You can make a dish for your party. You can make a dish for your family. Okay, this is the best. So good. See the meat in here? After you drink, and you can eat the meat in here. So good. Okay, friend. If you like this my video, thank you for watching. And then please give me a thumb, give me a like, subscribe if you like my video. And next time, subscribe for next time. If I have anything to show you good one, I will. Okay. Have a good day, friend. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I knocked it out. Where'd it go?
Really good young coconut, huh?
I think next time we come into someone's house.
Bartender.
Oh, bartender. Check and check and check. Check and check.
What is that? Coconut?
Yes.
Can I have some?
Sure.
ตรงนี้เลยมาเชื่อนี่ก็ขอบคุณค่ะเพื่อสุขภาพอนุโมทนาบุญ